John seems to be having a wonderful time in his birthday with his friends, and at the same time, he's also celebrating Christmas and New Year Eve. That's a good time for celebration. But after the celebrations, when he goes to the school the next day, his teacher, a maths teacher, creates a maths problem out of the celebration that John had the previous evening with his friends on his birthday. Now, this is what the maths teacher comes up with. John and his friends decided to have a Christmas party. They decided to make some birthday caps by themselves and buy a cake from a bakery shop. For these two items, they decided on the following dimensions. The cake will be cylindrical in shape with a diameter of 24 centimeters and a height of 14 centimeters. And the cap would be conical in shape with a base circumference of 44 centimeters and a height of 24 centimeters. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. How many square centimeter paper would be used to make four such caps? And the bakery shop sells cakes by weight: 0.5 kg, 1 kg, 1.5 kg, 2 kg, 2.5, etc. To have the required dimensions, how much cake should they order if 650 centimeter cube equals 100 grams of cake? So, after the celebrations of his birthday and Christmas, now John has to solve a problem on his own birthday and the celebration. Okay, let's see how we need to solve this problem. This problem is on surface areas and volumes. So we have a cake and a cap, cylindrical and conical shapes. And the first one is to find the caps. And the first question is on how much paper would be required in square centimeters, which would mean the area for four such caps. And caps is conical in shape. So let's take the first question. So for this question, let's draw the cone. So the cone is 24 centimeters height. The radius is r. We have the slant height as L, and 2 pi r equal to 44 centimeters. The circumference, that is what has been provided in the question. Now we need to find out the area of the paper that is required for making a cone or a cap. And we need to find out how much area of paper would be required for four caps. This is one cap that we are referring to. So for this one cap, we have to find what is the area, what is the curved surface area. So once we find the curved surface area of one cap, we just have to multiply that by 4. That would be the area for 4 such caps. So the curved surface area equal to pi r L. We have to find r and L. So for now, we do not have these values, but of course, we do have 2 pi r equal to 44 centimeters. So from this, we substitute pi with 22 by 7, and then from this, we get the value of r as 7. Now, once we have the value of r, it becomes easy for us to calculate the value of L using the Pythagorean theorem. So L square is 24 square plus r square. R is 7, which we just found out. So from this, we get L as 25. So 24 square plus 7 square will be 625. Square root of 625 is 25 centimeters. Now that we have L as well, R and L, now we just need to substitute them in this formula to get the curved surface area of the cone or the cap. 22 by 7 into 7 into 25, that gives us 550 centimeters square. So 550 centimeters square is the area of one cap. So for 4 such caps, it would be 4 into 550, which is 2200 centimeter square. So this is the area of the paper that would be required for 4 caps. Now let's go to the next part of the question. The bakery shop sells cakes by weight 0.5 kg, 1 kg, 1.5 kg, etc. To have the required dimensions, how much cake should they order if 650 centimeter cube equals 100 grams of cake? So how much cake should they order? Which means they are trying to find out the volume of the cake that is required. Now let's draw the cake, which is cylindrical in shape. Cylindrical shape with a diameter of 24 centimeters and height of 14 centimeters. Height of 14 and diameter of 24, so the radius will be 12 centimeters. Volume of the cake, which is cylindrical in shape, is pi r square h. We know r, we know h. So with the plain substitution of these values, we get pi into 12 square into 14, which comes out to be 6336 centimeter cube. Now, what is given to us? 650 centimeter cube equals 100 grams of the cake. So if 650 centimeter cube equals or equates to 100 grams, then how much would 6336 centimeter cube of the cake that is actually required for birthday celebrations for all the friends, how much would that equate to? What would be the gram or kilogram that would be equivalent to 6336 centimeter cube of the cake? Well, for this, we just have to cross multiply. So for 6336 centimeter cube of volume of the cake, it would be 6336 into 100 divided by 650. And once we solve this, we get 974.7 grams of cake that would be required. And this is close to 1 kilogram. So the shopkeeper cannot give him 974. He would be giving a cake which is equivalent to either 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, etc. And so 974 grams is very close to 1 kg. So the cake that they have to order should be for 1 kilogram. While the question definitely appeared to be a little lengthy, around 6 to 7 lines, but if we just draw these simple diagrams of the cylinder and the cone representing the cake and the cap respectively, along with their dimensions, things become simple for us. We just have to substitute the values of the radius and the height, etc. We would be able to arrive at the answer. All right, I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, please do let me know in the comment section. Let's catch up in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.